Away from that, as diphtheria cases continue to surge, 19 states have been urged to consider instituting compulsory face covering requirements, such as nose masks in public gatherings, in order to slow down the progress of the diphtheria outbreak. Health agencies made this call at the inaugural Diphtheria Emergency Task Force team briefing to give an update on the situation of the outbreak and response in the country. Health correspondent Kemi Balogun has details.
Jamila Bio Ibrahim.
That report later. In an attempt to curb crime, a group has taken to Sabongeri, a community in the Gwagwalada Area Council of Abuja, to raise awareness on the worrisome link between drug abuse and the surge in crime rates. There are concerns that now more than ever, people below the age of 35 are caught in the web of drug abuse, while trafficking syndicates have gotten even more sophisticated. Sifon Isien reports. And in Ogun State, the Ogun 1 Area Command of the Nigeria Customs Service has called for cooperation of stakeholders in the border communities in its anti-smuggling awareness campaign. Controller of the command made this appeal while speaking on smuggling and hoarding of petroleum products and its effects on border communities and national security. TVC News' Kazim Olowe reports.
In order to further sensitize the youth and other residents of the border communities about the negative effects of smuggling to national economy, the Ogun 1 Area Command of the Nigeria Customs Service, in conjunction with the Ipokia Local Government Youth Forum, have organized an enlightenment program for the residents. While lamenting the danger attached to smuggling and other negative impacts on the communities, residents and the nation, the controller of the command, Amadu Shuaibu, who was represented by his deputy in charge of administration, wants stakeholders in the border communities to partner the custom and prevent unwanted confrontation between the law enforcement agents and the communities.
Blocking our access road by the smuggler and their sympathizers. Mob attacks of officers either going in pursuit of information or conveying seized goods to the government warehouses. Skirmishes to altercations which often resort to casualties. We have lost scores of officers to death and permanent disability, while our dear communities had also lost many of their members to the evil of these unfortunate demons.
He also cited an example of the recent seizure of smuggled ammunition and other harmful substances like cannabis sativa, adding that those things, when smuggled into the communities, will be used to cause unrest and direct the minds of the youths to negative things.
The recent seizure of smuggled ammunition and the usual seizure of harmful substance like cannabis sativa, popularly known as India hemp, among other dangerous goods, a good example of threat to our social well-being and national security.
Participants emphasized the importance of the core mandate of the customs, which is to generate revenue, suppress smuggling, facilitate legitimate trade, and secure border lines. The event was attended by community and religious leaders, top customs officials, and representatives of other security agencies. Kazim Olowe, TVC News, Idiroko.